Hello everyone! Are you a chocolate lover? This cake recipe is for you. This cake has chocolate filling. Before we start, let's prepare the ingredients. 3 medium-sized eggs, 8 grams instant yeast, 130 grams granulated sugar, 70 ml seed oil, and Nutella chocolate spread. In a mixing bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add the sugar and also the seed oil. Mix them all before adding the flour. Incorporate the sifted flour. Now, grab a baking pan with a diameter of 20 centimeters and pour the batter. Get some spoons of Nutella and distribute them on top of the batter. Tap the baking pan a little so that the chocolate spread will go down. It's time to bake it. In the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until it is done. Now it's done. Let's sprinkle powdered sugar on top. It's tasting time. Yummy! Thanks for watching.